This is a vintage Tektronix 545B oscilloscope that I bought. They were made between 1964 and 1974. I don't know the actual age of this one, but it does have an electrical test label from 1970. As you can see, it's had a bit of a hard life. The case is scratched and the fan cover is missing off the back. There are also some panel screws missing from here and here, and the case is held on by some tape on the top. Let's have a look inside. Right, let's get this side panel off. Should come off like that. There we go. Quite a bit of dirt and debris. Let's get in a bit closer. All seems to be in fairly good condition, if just a little bit dusty. Looks good. It'll take some cleaning, but all the valves seem to be there. Let's have a look behind here. Yeah, that looks good to me. Some big valves in there, mind. Excellent. Right, let's have a look at this side. This has the luxury of having screws in it. Go. Not so much on this side. And I think we actually have it coming down here. Some transistors. All in all, I'm very happy with that. Just seems to be a bit of cleaning to do. I'll check out the capacitors, but that looks in really good condition considering how old this is, and amazing engineering. It must have taken them hours to assemble this. And you see the ceramic strips used to hold the components in place. Brilliant. The construction of these scopes used ceramic strips to hold the wires in place, and the electrical connection that the components are soldered onto is bonded onto the ceramic, and because of that you have to use special solder, and that white disc stuck on the case there, on the inside of the case, that is a reel of this special solder that has to be used if we need to replace any components, and it is there. And you can see that note as well, if you can read that note. That is really nice to see that. I'm glad that's still there.